The Dark Venus, Dark Nova, Dark Algo, Dark Titan, and Dark Gold are some most popular name in the market. In this video, I am going to do in-depth analysis of the Dark Nova EA. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to Trading Board Lab, and I'm your host Abdul. In this video, I will discuss the Dark Nova EA, and in the next upcoming videos, I will discover other EAs by the Dark EAs. Let's move to my screen, and here you can see there are very big claims from the Dark EAs for their EAs. A lot of rating, a lot of reviews on MQL5. Definitely, you can go and verify about the Dark EAs, and you can visit this website. The link is in the description. If you purchase any EA by the Dark EAs and use this coupon, every time you will get 10% off discount. Now let's move to my account, and for now I have there two EAs, which is here you can see the list of EAs, the Dark Gold and the Dark Nova. And as I already told you that in this video I will be working on the Dark Nova EA. The price is $499. I got these boards just for testing to show all of you if these boards are real or not, if you should buy this boot or not. Let's move to my MT5 terminal, and here you can see I already completed the optimization process on the gold with a 5-minute time frame, and it is on the last 3 years of history data. It's enough long to see the behavior of this report on the different scenarios of the market. 1000 deposit and the 1000 leverage. The optimization process is completed. Here you can see the highest profit it made is $301 on just one pair. So how we can earn a good amount of money from any report? We need to optimize it on at least 5 to 7 pairs and then use the best input settings for each pair on the chart. And here, for example, on gold it made 30%, maybe on the Euro USD it made 50%, and maybe on some other pair it made 100 or more percent in growth. And when we combine all these reports, we can get a good amount. And to analyze this, you can see on my website, and here the top profit is $301. Right click on it and run single test. The backtest process is started, and in the graph we can see the number of trades and how the graph is going up or down when it started. And here you can see on the screen, it is not recommended to use on the gold because during the optimization process, this is the highest profit with the recovery factor of 0.6. So let's go with the highest recovery factor and find some other settings, and we will see what is the maximum growth at what recovery factor. We only accept a setting where the recovery factor is at least 2 or higher than that. So this is the lowest recovery factor, which is 2.00 with a total number of trades of 3 in last 3 years, and this not make any sense. So we need to look for a higher number of trades with a higher number of profit above these results. And here you can see I got 92 number of trades in the last 3 years, not recommended, not acceptable. Here is the 710 number of trades with the recovery factor of 2.79 with a profit of $272. This means 27% growth in the last 3 years with the total number of trades of 710. Now let's do its single test to see the graph, how it is going up with respect to the time. I will simply click on it, and in the graph section, when it starts trading, it will start showing the live number of trades here, the live graph. The backtest process is completed, and here you see in the start it goes up, but from 2023 it is in range from last 2 years, and this is not acceptable. So let's look for another setting, and from here we will look for the more number of trades above 11 trades, not acceptable, 37 not acceptable, and 26, and it is going on. Let's see what we can get from the higher recovery factor. The total number of trades are just 1, and in just 3 years it's not make any sense to use this EA blindly on the gold. Maybe this EA best for other pairs, but for the gold, it not looks a good EA, but still there are a few settings to analyze, and I will make a little bit faster analysis and going up. We got 710 number of trades with the profit of 200 almost. We can check here 271, but in this setting it is not making any profit at all. These are the real results of in-depth optimization process of Dark Nova EA on the gold pair, and I am very sure this EA work on the low volatility market, and as you know the gold have the highest volatility in the market. So in the next upcoming videos I will do its optimization on the cross pairs such as Euro GBP, CAD CHF, CHF JPY, all these kind of pairs. So with the lowest volatility we will see how this EA perform on those pairs. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.